This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from your phone. First, find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted. Make sure your phone has plenty of battery life or is plugged in. Before you begin, download any study apps or materials you'll need. Most importantly, silence all non-essential notifications to maintain your focus and avoid interruptions during your study time. Your phone offers many powerful study tools. Flashcard apps are excellent for memorizing key terms and concepts efficiently. You can also watch educational videos or lectures directly from learning platforms. Use a reliable note-taking app to keep your study materials organized. Don't forget to set a timer within an app to structure your study sessions and ensure you take regular, short breaks. Staying focused on your phone can be challenging, but it's achievable. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode to prevent calls and messages from interrupting you. Organize your apps by moving social media into a less accessible folder. You might even try a website blocker for a set duration. Keeping your study objectives in sight will help you stay motivated and on track. Remember to incorporate healthy habits into your phone study routine. Take a quick break every 25 to 30 minutes to give your eyes a rest. Maintain good posture to prevent any discomfort in your neck or back. Regularly review the notes you've taken to solidify your understanding. Finally, assess your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your study approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.